Hey guys, welcome back on the channel. In this video, we will explore Alchemist AI on Solana. With this protocol, anyone can build a fully functional app without writing a single line of code, which is pretty impressive. I mean, it just allows you to bring your ideas to life in minutes. I know this sounds like something straight out from sci-fi, but that's essentially it. That is what Alchemist AI allows people to do. It's a game changer that runs on Solana. So for that reason, we'll explore what makes it a standout in the blockchain space, and of course we'll take a look at the token to see how it has been performing. So let's dive in. Starting with their following or their presence in social media. On X they have over 44,000 followers, and even if you need a tutorial to get started, they're currently working on it. This is a post from 2 days ago, March the 25th, and it's actually their second tutorial which is now live. If you're considering this as an investment, it's always a good pointer to see that their Q1 of the roadmap has been successfully executed. So this proves that the team stays committed, they deliver according to plans, and that's always a good pointer for investing in something in crypto where many projects die before they even get started. So let's look at the big picture, what Alchemist AI offers. And with it you have the power to create custom software, something like games, DeFi tools, NFTs. I mean, you just need to describe what you want in plain language, so no technicalities are necessary. It's just like as if you were talking with another person, and that person happens to be someone that can deliver what you are asking. So even if you're a crypto newbie wanting to experiment, Alchemist AI is here to support you. No technical expertise required, but of course the same way it's very useful to beginners, it can also be a powerful tool for more advanced users to bring their concepts to life. We can even see on their marketplace, anyone can put their creations there, so this might be also something that interests you. See what other users have been developing, and maybe you'll find a good deal here. As time goes by, the platform expands, develops. We will see more and more options here on the marketplace. So this is overall a really neat idea also to add up to Alchemist AI. So how does it work? Now let's click on create an app and see basically how anyone can get started. You see here the text prompt box. You can write anything. If you have questions or are wondering, there's a tutorial tab here. If it is your first time using this type of application, you can even click the My First App tab, and this will give you a sort of guidance step by step. So the idea behind it, it's pretty cool, it's pretty powerful. So let's see how has the token been performing. So Alchemist did launch in the latest wave, the latest craze in crypto, which was the AI narrative, and basically anything that involved AI agents, AI software, that was the big trend, right? You saw that in December, early January, and then the crypto market took a dump. AI Alchemist was no different. We see this bottom here. The price went down to a little bit under 2 cents. Back at all-time high, it was at around 20 cents. Right now, it is at 8 cents and a half roughly, but it is picking up some steam. I think this is the biggest liquidity pool with almost 4 million locked in, and we see some more action here. So naturally, as the price pumps, there's more activity in the markets. We saw that trend to start on late February 24th, the 25th. So right now the volume is picking up, and that means that if you are providing liquidity to this, it's almost at a 1-to-1 ratio, which is quite good. This is probably a pool with a 1% fee tier, if not more. So actually this is hanging on really well. I mean, there's a ton of projects in crypto that are very interesting, that have tons of potential, but Alchemist AI is actually something on Solana that actually binds AI with real utility. So this is something I believe it can interest a lot of people. I mean, it gives the ability for you to interact with the AI, talk with it, and create virtually anything. The market cap is a little over 71 million, so this is still very early on. I'm not saying this as a financial advice. This video is not sponsored, so it's still quite risky, although it has a ton of potential behind it, of course. There's a ton of information on their docs. There's even a guide on how to generate software in the laboratory. What can you generate with it? Or, using their words, what can you forge? So they give here an example for creating a game. User request could be build me a magic themed Flappy Bird game, and then the AI output will give you something back. It's also good to know, guys, that the quality of your creations will be definitely linked to the quality of your prompts. So of course the prompts showed here, they're very basic. For example, create a productivity ad, and this will be a clock for tracking time on Saturn. And then depending on the output, you can definitely then use here the slider to control the creativity. Let's go back so I can show you. So the creativity level will help the AI software to remain more faithful to your prompt or less faithful to your prompt. So this is actually something that you might want to test out and see where it really matches your creativity, your vision. But there's no shortage of options here. It can give you further ideas even on potential ways that you never thought about using the platform. For example, personalized tools. You can ask AI to create a simple image editor where you can crop, resize, and add filters. And then AI will give you something like this back. So you get the idea. You can virtually create anything, and you can have this application to follow along step by step, responding to your prompts. Let me just add something here about the Azarus AI agent. When I was doing research about this, I saw this AI agent and I thought, okay, maybe there's a token, but there is not a token. So for example, let's search here Azarus AI agent on CoinGecko. So here we have it, Azarus paired with Sol. We have this token pair. It's a very small liquidity pool, a little over 7k in liquidity. There's no volume. I mean, it's pretty much dead. So this has been bleeding out, but this was something that was created by the community, I think. So I don't think that is the Alchemist team behind this, okay? Azarus is only powered by Alch, and there will be no new token issued ever. So this is a real agent, but there's no token linked to it. That's what I want you to know, because if you find token, it's highly likely from the community, or it can be something even more dangerous, someone trying to pull out a scam. So it's very important for you to take notice of these small details, okay? Quick look here at the tokenomics. 85% allocated to liquidity pool. There's 1 billion tokens. Currently the circulating supply is 850 million. 5% of the supply is going to marketing, 7% to treasury and ecosystem, and 3% for the team, which is quite low. Usually we see team allocations to be at least 10%. So also very important, guys, in order to start using this application, you do not need the tokens, but if you have them, then you will unlock further perks. It's sort of like having access to the full features that Alchemy AI offers. But in any case, I think this is a very interesting protocol. It has tons of potential, small market cap so far, and with it, you even have the potential to start developing applications, list them on their marketplace. So this has definitely the potential to build up their own economy, their own economic ecosystem with their market, which is very useful for developers. I mean, if you're full of ideas and you want to develop stuff, you can definitely do that and put those applications for sale on the marketplace. So very cool looking protocol overall, tons of potential with it. If this tickled your interest, go check it out. It is on Solana, which is a major blockchain that also plays a factor on the adoption of Alchemist. So if you have any questions, guys, or if you had already experienced yourself Alchemist AI, let us know in the comments. It might help someone out. That's the whole point of the channel. If you enjoyed this type of content, guys, like and subscribe for more. That being said, thank you for watching. Take care. I'll see you on the next one.